Good afternoon, my dear student. Now we are going to biobotany subject in chapter 6th. The chapter name is called Principles of Ecology. Once again, Principles of Ecology. Now, what is ecology? This is the word which is defined to organism and related to environment, or relation between organism and the environment. The condition is called ecology. So, this word from Greek or term ecology, the word from Greek, there are two Greek words, oikology, oikos and logos. Once again, the word ecology from Greek. Here, the two words from Greek, oikology, then oikos and lodge. Oikos means house or dwelling place. House means the organism live in the environment. Organism live in the particular place or dwelling place, that's all. And the logs, we know that easily, steady, that is called ecology, the study of organism and their environmental condition, that is called ecology. There are two scientists to propose the field of ecology. The first proposed writer, by means according to writer, in year 1868, they proposed the word ecology. The word ecology first proposed by writer in year 1868. Are you clear? Are you able to follow me, student? Then another one scientist, Ernst Haeckel, in year 1869, he able to propose to widely accepted definition of ecology. Once again, according to Ernst Haeckel, widely accepted definition of ecology. That's all. There are two scientists to propose to the word ecology, Reiter and Ernst. Reiter and Ernst in year 1868 and 1869. The two scientists is very important, 1 mark for public examination and NEET examination. Understood, my dear student? And then the several scientists made the specific responsible in the world. Mr. Alexander von Humboldt, a father of ecology. One more question asked in the public examination. Who was the father of ecology in the world? Mr. Alexander von Humboldt. Bear in mind, all of you. Father of ecology, Alexander von Humboldt. Another one scientist, Eugene P. Odum. It is a very important scientist. He is able to the father of modern ecology. Father of modern ecology by Eugene P. Odum. The last man or Misra, a father of Indian ecology, our Indian father, Mr. R. Misra, in the field of ecology. Then, definition of ecology. Definition of ecology. I could already told you, organism and their environment. Organism relation to environment. This is simply definition of ecology. So, according to Reiter, 1885, then according to Ernst Haeckel, 1889. So, according to Reiter, in year 1885, the study of living organism, both plant and animal, in their natural environment. The study of organism, both plant and animal, in their natural medium. So, this definition by Reiter in year 1885. So, according to Reiter, the definition of ecology, the study of organism, both plant and animal in their natural medium. It is a very important point, natural ecosystem, natural medium. And then according to Ernst Haeckel, 1889, the study of reciprocal relationship between living organism and their environment. So, reciprocal relation between living organism and their environment. So, what is the difference between Mr. Reiter and Ernst in their definition of ecology? Definition of ecology. Once again, environment and their natural environment, natural ecosystem. Organism and their natural ecosystem. So, reciprocal environment and their organism by Ernst Haeckel. And then ecological hierarchy. Ecological hierarchy. It means interaction and group of organism. So, interaction means organism and their environment. A group of organism and their environment, that is called ecological hierarchy. Once again, so interaction and group of organism. One chain of procedure, the ecological hierarchy, individual organism, population, community, ecosystem, landscape, biome, biosphere. Once again, so what are the ecological chain of hierarchy? 2 more question, bear in mind. Individual organism, for example species, population, a group of species, community, a group of variety of species, ecosystem, population and community, landscape in the particular place, biome, a group of various kinds of population in the biosphere. And then branches of ecology. Branches of ecology. There are 2 branches of ecology. So, autoecology in an individual species. In an individual species in the particular ecosystem. The synecology, population or community with one or more species. Population or community with one or more species. That's all the branches of ecology. This is one of the 2 more questions for public examination. Now, the new branches of ecology. New branches of ecology. The first one is molecular ecology. And the basis of molecules in their organism, that is called molecular ecology. The molecular ecology or the construction of the molecule in the organism. The construction of molecule in the organism. Or what are the molecule constructed in the organism? Or what are the molecule constructed in the body of the organism, that is called molecular ecology. There's another one, ecotechnology. Another one, statistical ecology. Last one, environmental toxicology. The last one is a very important, environmental toxicology. Some other organism live in the particular place which are leads to certain toxic substance in the medium. So, the medium will be toxic condition. So, the medium to success to another or defeat to another organism, that is environmental toxicology. So, branch of ecology, autoecology, synecology. The new branches of ecology, molecular ecology, ecotechnology, statistical ecology, and environmental toxicology. So, then so habitat and niche. Habitat and niche. So, the habitat, what is habitat? So, already told you, a species living in the particular place. A habitat is a specific physical place or locality occupied on organism. The specific, understood? Specific physical place. Specific place. For example, land medium. For example, water medium. for example forest, for example rocky. These are all the specific physical place or locality occupied on organism. That's all. So next niche. An ecological niches refers to an organism place in the biotic environment and its functional view. Simply, so biotic environment and their functional view, that is called a niche. One important 3 more question. What are the difference between habitat and niches? What are the difference between habitat and niches? Simply form the tabular column. One side is the habitat, another side the niches. Should be right the first side. The first point, a specific physical space occupied by an organism. A species, how the specifically occupied in a place, that is called habitat. An opposite, a niche, a functional space occupied by an organism. A organism functionally do in the specific phase, that is called a niche. A functional space occupied on organism, the same ecosystem. Once again, a organism occupied in a same place by a functional. The second point, same habitat may be shared by many organisms. The same habitat shared many organisms. In a pond ecosystem, a variety of species live in a pond. Now, a pond is the common ecosystem. The several kinds of species shared in the pond ecosystem. That is, the second point, a single niche is occupied by a single species. A single species occupied in a single place. That's all. The third point, habitat specificity is expected by organism. Specificity expected by organism. Now, opposite the organism, many changes their niche with time and season. The organism time to time changes their the place, that is called a niche. So this is the difference between habitat and niches. Please all the students see the one colorful printing box matter. So applied ecology or environmental ecology. These are same things, applied ecology or environmental ecology. Applied means application of ecology. So application of the science of ecology is otherwise called applied ecology. That is what is the definition of application of ecology? Application of the science of ecology, otherwise called applied ecology or environmental technology. So the environmental technology, they help to help to manage and conserve the natural resource, particularly ecosystem, forest and wildlife conservative and management, environmental management involve biodiversity, conservation, ecosystem, restoration, habit management, invasive species management, protected areas management, and also help us plan landscape and environmental impact, designing for their futurist ecology. That's all. So what is defined as application ecology or environmental ecology? So these kinds of questions by 3 more questions. Sorry. And then ecological equivalent. Ecological equivalent. So taxonomically, the different species occupying similar habitat. For example, for the pond ecosystem or forest ecosystem, ஒரே விதமான அந்த சூழ்நிலையில் பலவிதமான விலங்குகள் தாவரங்கள் வாழக்கூடியன்னு சொல்கிறோம். ecological equivalent. So taxonomically different species occupy in similar habitat. For example, niche in the different geographical region are called ecological equivalent. Ecological equivalent. I mean taxonomy, different kinds of the organism. Taxonomically different kinds of the organism live in a particular ecosystem. That is called ecological equivalent. So what are the ecological equivalent? We could see in certain example, certain species of epiphytic orchids of Western Ghats. Suppose you have a book, underline the one mark question in your book. Certain species of epiphytic orchids of Western Ghats of India. So another one, the species of grasses land of Western Ghats. So these two examples for one mark for you. Certain species of epiphytic orchids of Western Ghats of India. So another one, the species of grassland of Western Ghats of India. That's all.